Nazi?
I'm not a Nazi.
What are you doing?
Do it now, right there. Yeah, right there. Okay.
When boundaries are crossed and order is challenged, justice steps into the scene. Swift, unforgiving, and leaving no room for second chances. As floodwaters receded in Kłodzko, order gave way to chaos. Looters poured into the streets, targeting a gas station on Moniuszki Street, as greed moved in after the disaster. Looting after a flood? Yes, that's the quickest way to ruin your reputation forever.
Bravo, 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 bravo.
That's not how doxing works.
On December 12, 2017 at 14:50, police at Freedom Plaza observed 3 young men suspected of drinking alcohol. When ordered to stop police, they fled. Sydney A. Ramsey Laurie threw a Budweiser can, ran into a construction site, and climbed over a fence.
He attacked. This is self-defense.
Whoa, this was not, no, self-defense. I was still guys.
We have the whole thing
on camera.
Officers pursued and restrained him after he resisted. A 25-ounce Budweiser and a one-hitter for cannabis were seized. Ramsey Larry was charged with public drinking, fleeing, and resisting arrest, and taken to US PPD-1. The scene was cleared at 15:20.
Hey, I'm gonna win this one for you. Good shit. I'm gonna win this one for you, dude.
Stop there! Put down!
Waving a cleaver in a train station is definitely strange. If you're enjoying the video, maybe just give us a thumbs up instead.
Stop resisting! Put your arms behind your back! What are you doing, idiot? Are you serious? What's your problem? Huh? Everyone clean? Yeah.
A 32-year-old woman surnamed Liu in mainland China attacked a police officer with 2 knives after a failed mobile payment, striking the officer and his shield. She was arrested at 11:29 p.m., charged with assaulting an officer, possessing dangerous weapons, and property damage. After being restrained, she remained agitated and was taken to a hospital for evaluation. Even medieval armies understood one thing clearly. You don't challenge the cavalry and expect to win. This unfolded while an officer was briefing the media on unruly crowd behavior.
What the hell? What was that? That was bizarre.
License.
You were driving this.
Yeah, but I was driving too.
A confrontation between Yonkers police and 34-year-old Bianca McCovery, an unlicensed motorbike rider claiming to be a delivery driver, sparked controversy after Bodycam footage went viral.
Licensed driver, so since I'm with her, doesn't that make sense? This is crazy.
She was driving. Main question is licensed registration on the vehicle. I'm getting away.
The incident occurred outside Juices for Life, a smoothie shop co-owned by rappers Jada Kiss and Styles P, who appeared angrily confronting officers.
Keep recording. Yeah. Get high. You had your gun. You had your hand on the gun with a female. He slammed on the floor. Whole entire. You and him. You're scared. You're not from around here. You're raised in a white neighborhood.
Video shows McCovery failing to produce documents, fleeing, and being taken to the ground. A tactic the police commissioner said he had no issue with.
I'm telling you now, because she's doing she's working.
If you want to hit a nerve, go after a man's car. He had just posted a $50,000 bond in full, and barely a minute later, everything spiraled out of control. Push it far enough, and the surprise comes looking for you. Aerial footage shows a stolen pickup colliding with an SUV, losing control, and hitting a large truck about 12 miles west of the vehicle theft in Detroit. Detroit and Michigan State Police followed without lights or sirens as the man weaved through traffic. After the crash, he exited the truck, ran up a slope, and jumped over a fence. Resident Fenice Todd witnessed the arrest in front of her home. Thursday evening, Michael Becht fled from Deltona to Daytona Beach after a traffic stop, weaving through over I-4 and Daytona. He stopped at Nova, Bayville, where Sheriff Chitwood and deputies restrained him.
I hope they don't have a...
Turn the car off, motherfucker! Turn it off! Oh.
Please sit here, please sit here.
I ain't moving.
I got you. Going out. Leave your shoes. Going out. Coming up on your ear, Sheriff. Going out. Going out. Get on the ground. Do it now. Down right there. Go down right there. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. You can take them.
Becht confessed, was charged with fleeing and driving on a suspended license, with $5,500 bond.
I got a clean record and everything. Got you covered. Yeah. You probably would have got a ticket and had a ride home. I don't want my car taken.
I'm Banksy.
Someone should probably remind this guy that art galleries are more his speed.
Give it to me now.
What am I spraying? What am I spraying?
You're spraying on the side of the police van.
Why are you searching me? Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being,
Alright, well,
you are being detained on
on what
suspicion of
grounds?
criminal damage.
Where's the damage?
We're just going to check it.
Let's inspect the damage.
Well, I will. My colleagues are doing that now.
There's no need to be so aggressive, then,
Right,
is there?
then calm down.
I'm calm.
Right, then I'll let go of you. Stand still.
Thank you. Alright, let go of me, please. Is there any criminal damage?
I don't know yet.
Well, have a look. There isn't. Take a look at the can.
Why are you doing that then?
Just, I'm Banksy, innit?
You're not Banksy.
How do you know I'm not
Because he
Banksy?
doesn't use spray paints, mate.
What does he use?
I don't know.
So how
But he
shall I be a
doesn't
better
use something
Banksy?
Shoot as that. What's that?
It's my Banksy art.
Off you go.
Thank you very much.
There's your rubbish.
Can I get my canister as well?
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to go and spray somewhere else.
But it's
No,
just.
sorry.
Did you take a look at the canister?
Sorry.
It's just air. It's
Well,
not an actual
it doesn't
spray.
look like that to me.
Well, let's inspect the canister then. What you- It's my property. Told you.
Right, empty cans.
See?
You can have it back.
Thank you. This is a bit of fun.
But look.
This attempted robbery in Ares, Brazil nearly succeeded, but the victim fought to hold on just long enough for help to arrive and turn the tables.
He's going pretty fast. Lane, outside lane now. Continue past the bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Believe he just tried to hit sticks. He continued. He's on the outside lane down significantly. 158 northbound I-95. I'm getting ahead. Trying to cut into the median. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water.
They had every reason to bolt. Inside the bag was equipment tied to a crime in Illinois. And somehow, spotting that 4x4 sedan felt rarer than winning the lottery.
He is temporary to traffic. This information, he is armed.
Subject on the ground, prone out. Stand by.